Deep apologies to you. Please forgive me. This video was supposed to come in earlier than this, but technical error occurred, and now you are seeing my lips not matching with the audio because I've just made a voice over. It's an update about Mao being threatened, the family this time. There's a woman targeting the family and saying that she wants to kill Norbert Mao's children. On Twitter, Norbert Mao said, so this woman thinks murdering my children is the best way to express her disagreement. She doesn't even mind showing her face. Anyway, let police Uganda at Interpol headquarters deal with it. In the meantime, I encourage her to stop cowardly murder threats and come face me. So Norbert Mao is saying the lady should come and face her. These are the pressure, these are the hot developments the people from Central Uganda are putting on Mao for bringing the issue of MPs to vote for president, which is also alongside women MPs to serve 2 terms and reinstating the term limit which was removed. So Norbert Mao is facing backlash and criticism from all corners, but it seems like things are going extra mile, not in a normal way. Some people are practicing unlawful behavior like this one, and as things stands, you, if you understand Luganda, can watch this.
Abaana ba Robert Mao bazuuliddwa mu DP. Mwebale mwenna abaana bakoze research. Naye kati gwe omulimu gwo gusigadde guli ogwo kuntambuliza vidiyo eno. Tusobola okufunayo abaana abamanyi essomero olyo mutabani wa Robert Mao gy'asomera. Twagala kumanya essomero lye liri luddawa. Liri kyalo ki? District ki? Gombolola ki? Bali luddawa basomera wa? Ebisigadde bw'ofuna n'oteekayo vidiyo sirika. Ebisigadde biveemu. Katwagala tulwanagane ne munadipi ono Robert Mao atubuulire. Tuli baana bannyina, tuli baana ba kitaawe. Gandi okugenda okulwanagana n'ababaka ba Uganda abasula mu Walagi ne bakera bagende mu parliament. Tubakoye basajja mmwe kubanga tugenda tuuka tubettire